learners. So yesterday we read this story, The Mitten, and there were a lot of animals that fit inside that mitten. Whew, even a bear. Today you need your mittens, and we're going to find out how many objects fit in your mitten. So Mrs. Mann brought a pair of her mittens, and a pair means two, and my mittens are the same. So that's called symmetry. They're the same, exact same on both sides. So I brought a pair of my mittens, and I brought a few objects. I have some pine cones, some little blocks, and I found some little dinosaurs, but you could, if you have those little animals, you could certainly use those. So your mittens are going to be smaller than my mittens, but I'm going to see how many I can fit in. I also have this little 10 frame here. So when I'm done figuring that out, I'm going to put them into my 10 frame. So let's go for pine cones. Take my mitten, and you can use whatever you have at your school or house. So I'm going to keep putting them in there until it's full. Some of these are big. And I collected these outside, so you could collect things from outside too. Oh, it looks like I got room for one more right to the top. My mitten is full. So now I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put them on this 10 frame. If you don't have one, you can make one. All right, so let's count them as we bring them out. Put them in the little squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a couple more in there. Come on, you. 6. Put my mitten on. 7. I've filled up 7 boxes. So I've left, there's 3 left. Here we go. There's 3 that are empty. So I've filled up 7 boxes on my 10 frame. So what I've done is I've made a sentence here. And it says, I can fit, then there's a big blank, in my mitten. So I can fit 7 pine cones in my mitten. I'm going to fill that in. 7 pine cones. 7 pine cones. So they can fill in that blank spot, or if you just want to do the sentence once, and then they can repeat the sentence with the different objects. And then you can figure out, I wonder if I'd have more blocks than pine cones that could fit in my mitt. I wonder if there's more than 7 or less than 7. And you can maybe do that with 3 different loose parts and see what you can fit the most of in your mitten. So have fun with that. And I wonder how many objects can fit into your mitten.